How to fix Warzone 2.0. Your profile was signed out. Error status CAPHIS. 1. Change chat channel lobby. To do so, switch game voice channel to party only or all lobby in MW2 audio settings. 2. Quit then restart Warzone 2/MW2. 3. Other tips. Check the MW2 current status. Update your game automatically. Contact Activision support team. Ensure your internet connection is working properly or fast enough. PS5/PS4. Backup and delete currently saved game files from storage. Clear PS5 cache in its safe mode. Uninstall, reinstall then re-update your MW2 on your PS5/PS4/Windows computer. Try more troubleshooting tips at https://support.activision.com/warzone-2/article/connecting-to-Warzone-2. Connecting to a Call of Duty, Warzone 2.0 game.